So here the question is, an otorhinologist performs a removal of a 3 centimeter tumor present on the patient face. The tumor is removed from the deep facial layer within the muscle. What CPT codes are reported? So here the key point is 3 centimeter tumor as well as the deep facial layer within the muscle. So now we have to check for these keywords. So the most appropriate code for removing this 3 centimeter tumor from the deep facial layer is 21016, because the procedures, like if we take in the question the removal of a 3 centimeter tumor, the location is face and the depth is deep facial tissue within the muscle. So when you look into the code, 21012 is excision of tumor from face but it is less than 2 centimeter, whereas 21014 is excision of tumor from the face, it's 2 centimeter or greater. 21015 is excision of tumor from the face deep less than 2 centimeter, and 21016 is excision of tumor soft tissue from the face deep 2 centimeter or greater. So here 2 centimeter or greater is two codes, okay, 21014 and 21016. But we are not choosing 21014 because it is subcutaneous. The right keyword is 21016 for deep. So we are going with this answer.